GMR people, what's good? So today we're gonna do a deep dive into the Despeed airdrop. Okay, now as you can see here, Despeed is a depin, like many other depins we've talked about, right? And depin means decentralized physical infrastructure network, and it measures internet speed data via a browser extension, and it records proof of speed on blockchain. Now users earn bytes, which will be converted to Despeed tokens, later on, right? So the timeline status, it started in December 2024. You understand? It started since December 2024, and yeah, like right now they are in the fourth epoch, or they usually call it cycles. Okay, they are in the fourth epoch. The first epoch was the kilo cycle, the mega cycle, the giga cycle, and now we are in the tera cycle. Okay, so as you can see here, listing is rumored to be around February, but since February is long gone, we should just expect the listing in 2025. Okay, because this is July and we are already in the fourth epoch, okay, the tera cycle. So we should just expect the listing either in Q3 or in Q4 of 2025. All right, so as you can see here, the token generation event will happen whenever, but we have to participate so that we don't miss out on it. Okay, so how to participate: you sign up using a referral link, you install the validator extension, you activate your node and run. So as you can see, the extension runs 4 daily speed tests. So in a day you run 4 daily speed tests, and then depending if your speed tests reach up to the maximum you can earn per speed test is 200 bytes. Okay, the maximum you can earn per speed test is 200 bytes with no noticeable bandwidth usage. Okay, so other ways you can also earn is daily check-ins and quests and tasks like connecting your socials, like your X, your Telegram, your Discord, stuff like that, and referrals. Okay, refer friends to earn 10% of their earnings, right? Okay, so now let's hop right into it. Open a new tab and paste my referral link, which is in the description below, and let's hit it. So as you can see now, the link will take you to this page. This is the registration page. Okay, so now if you already have an account, now this is the registration page. You enter your email, your username, your new password, confirm the password, you now agree to terms and policy stuff, verify you're a human, and click on register. So when you click on register, you can see an email verification has been sent to your email address. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to go to your email address and click on this verification code. Okay, remember to check your spam folder, it could be there. And as you can see, you have successfully verified your account. Okay, so now I'm just gonna close here, and since I saved my passwords, just auto entered it for me. So you verify that you're a human being, and just like that, you have created an account on the Despeed network. Okay, congratulations. So you claim your daily 100 bytes. Now what you're accumulating here is bytes, and these bytes will be converted to Despeed tokens during the TGE and all that. Okay, so as you can see here, this is your dashboard. This shows you what you've earned in that day, and this shows you what you've earned in the cycle. So now you can see earnings. Since we're new, these are all the cycles that have passed: the kilo cycle, mega cycle, giga cycle, tera cycle. So right now we're in the tera cycle, and this is the 100 bytes we just claimed. Okay, so we don't know when the TG is coming up. No dates have been announced on their socials, but we're still looking out for that. But you have to try your best to keep up with it. Okay, so now the next thing we have to do is install their extension. All right, this is it. This is the extension right here. Okay, so click on get, add extension, and you're good to go. Okay, you're good to go. So I'm just going to close this. Now I'll open the extension, and it's online. Okay, you can see this is the 100 bytes we claimed then, and it's online. We're earning. So the way this works is the extension scans your internet speed 4 times in every day. Okay, it scans your internet speed 4 times in every day. Now you don't really know when to scan it, so the best chance you have is to be online at all times. Okay, so once you're online, randomly to scan your internet speed. So now this is our transaction history, and we only have one transaction, that's the daily claim. Okay, so as you can see here, daily claim quest for today, and it's the Terra cycle. All right, so these are the quests. This is the quest tab, and you can see you claim the daily claim once every 24 hours. Okay, now this is the daily streak. You can see here, check in daily to keep your streak alive and avoid resetting. Okay, so the more you check in, you can see 7 days check-in bonus is 1,000 bytes, 14 days you get 1,005, 21 days you get 3,000, and 28 days you get 5,000. Okay, these are just ways you can help boost your earning. Right now, these are the referral quests. If you refer one person, you get a bonus of 100 bytes. If you refer 10 people, you get the bonus of 5,000 and all that, up to even 99 persons, and that's the highest reward, 75,000 bytes. Wow. Okay, now these are the social quests. You need to do these things. Okay, now this is, you connect your Discord, you join the Despeed Discord channel, you connect your X, follow them on X, collect your Telegram, join their channel on Telegram, you follow the big guy and you retweet stuff. This, okay, even their YouTube, you have to follow them. Okay, and then you now have to add Despeed to your Twitter name, to your Telegram name, and your Discord name. Okay, now these are tasks you have to do. You can perform them. All right, now this is your referral tag. Yeah, this is where you can see your referrals. You copy your link here, you can click here to go post your referral link on your X account directly, and this is where your referrals will show if you have a referral. Okay, so that's all about it for now on the Despeed network. If there's any question you have about this airdrop, ask me in the comment section below, and I will be posting updates on this airdrop soon.
So now this is the network statistics tab. This is where your network earnings are being recorded. Okay, so as you can see, there's a column for time, unique IP, location, IP address, and the bytes you're earning per scan. Right, so each time the scan is performed, you have to have a unique IP address, and location has to be on your device, for you to earn the full 200 points. You understand? So if your IP address is not unique or your location is off, you could earn 100 points, as I earned here. Okay, as you can see, my IP address is not unique, that's why I earned 100 points. Now if your location is also off, you end up earning just 50 points. All right, so anytime you are leaving your device on, make sure your location is on, and you have a unique IP address. All right,
subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss out whenever I put the update on this channel. All right, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.